Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing video. We're going to see the Stubai carving chisels. They are made in Austria, and let's see what they got. This Stubai set is a 7 pieces carving kit, and as we can see we have 2 knives and 5 chisels. So here we have all the chisels we get in the kit, and I would like to show you the difference between all of them. We'll start with the knives. This is a straight blade, straight edge knife, and it have like a drop handle, very common in carving knives. Then we have this knife. It has a little bit of inclination near the blade. Then we have this number 1. It has the bevel on the 2 sides of the blade. Is straight here, so it doesn't have any shape, and it also doesn't have any convex or slope in the blade. It's like a very simple carving chisel. Then we move on with the number 2. This instead, compared to this one, it's a little bit thinner and has a 25 degrees slope here, as you can see. This is straight, and this has a little bit of slope. It has also the bevel in the 2 sides. Then we move on with this chisel. This is a number 5. These have a little bit of convex shape, not too aggressive, but for carving is very useful. Then we have the number 8 chisel. This, compared to the last one, has also a very gentle convex shape, but is a little bit wider, the blade, compared to this one. And last one, we have this number 10 chisel. This instead is thinner than the last one, but has like a U-shape point, U-shaped blade. Is like a bit more aggressive than the last one, but is very useful for get interesting shapes during the carving station. So very interesting. And now let's see what the different shapes do to a sample of wood. So I don't think that the chisels are very sharp, so we will make like a test carving in this soft wood and see how they do. So we will start with this chisel, the one with a convex shape. the small one. This is the number 5, and let's see if they do something. Is working pretty well. Is not very sharp, but it has done. As you can see. And let's see how it does across the vein of the wood. Yeah, it worked pretty well, as you can see. Then we will test the number 8 chisel. They are not super sharp, but they do the work very well. Let's do also against the veins of the wood. This wood is not the ideal wood for carving, but for this test is okay. So here is a very clean carving. Here we can see a little bit of tear out of the wood, but it's normal with this kind of wood. This soft wood have the fibers very long, so when you cut across the vein, it tends to tear out the wood, the fibers. Now let's see this chisel. This is the, let's say, the U-shaped chisel. Let's make this way. I have to say that they are, or at least this one is in pretty good shape. It's sharp. It cuts perfectly across the vein. With a little bit of tear out, but compared to the other ones, it's perfect. As you can see, and here also. Then we have this chisel. We can see what they do here in the corner. They work pretty well. This is the straight one. Then we have this one with the slope. And then the carving knives. The blade is sharp. This test is I wanted to see how they perform and if they were sharp when you buy it, because I usually sharpen the all the chisels and knives, but I wanted to make this unboxing and first reaction on how they perform, and in a later video we will make some carving and see how they really perform in a real carving situation. We will use another wood, so it will be the ideal condition to test, because this is soft wood. You can carve in this one, but how due to the fibers of the wood is not the ideal wood for carving. So that's all for today, and I hope you liked the video. This is, I think, a very simple and easy unboxing video with a first test of the tools. We have not sharpened yet. We have not make nothing with them. So stay tuned for another video when we will use these tools for carving a piece of wood. And if you're not subscribed yet, uh, please help us with the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.